Welcome to the channel. If you're using Windows Media Player and wanted to remember the files you've recently played, you're into the right place. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through how to enable the Remember Recent Media feature in Windows Media Player, so you can quickly access your past media files with ease. Let's get started. First, open Windows Media Player. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see a gear icon or a label that says Settings. Click on it, a Settings menu. Scroll down slowly until you find the option that says Remember Recent Media. This setting might be off by default. Click the toggle or checkbox next to Remember Recent Media to enable it. Once it's on, Windows Media Player will now save the history of the media files you've opened, making it much easier to access recent videos or songs. You can now go back to the home screen, and from now on, any video or audio you play will show up in the recent media list for easy access. That's all it takes. To wrap up, enabling this feature makes your media browsing smoother and more efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.